If someone was considering a hard money lender, I would go with Do Hard Money. Their 100% financing has been proven to work. I put a deposit down and I'm sitting here as proof working on a project that I believed in since the get-go, and they helped make that possible. I got into real estate when I was in college. Ball State University was offering a residential property management program, so I took advantage of that. The most I enjoy about real estate is that there's never the same day. It's always trying to solve a new issue or a new problem that comes up, and then obviously the profit margins help as well. This property is actually right around one of the hottest markets in Indianapolis right now, called Fountain Square. We kind of got in at a good time, got in at a good rate, and really looking to turn around this area. This home is getting a full rehab, so it's going to get an actual $75,000 renovation budget. Me and the general contractor come up with a great plan to where this house has been fully gutted, and it's going to get a high efficiency renovation with higher end models and higher end finishes. Initially, I was reaching out to a lot of different loans, hard money lenders, banks to see what was the best fit for me. Do Hard Money, once I contacted them, they kind of put everything in a step-to-step process on how we were able to complete this deal and how I would be able to move forward in closing a deal. Do Hard Money has been very helpful in the process, especially for new investors, with all the intricate workings of just everything that goes into finishing a deal and closing a deal, especially in our hard money loan specifically. This is my first deal with Do Hard Money, and I would work with them again. They have made the process very easy. I do have an experience, but when you go to put the pen to the paper and start trying to put the funds together, you need somebody in your corner, and Do Hard Money I found was the best fit for me to get a 100% finance deal. The amount of money that we're looking to make on this property is between $60,000 and $80,000 profit. The most important thing I did to succeed with this property was not give up. With real estate and investing, you're going to run into some obstacles, but if you just stay with it and just try to figure out the puzzle to where it can work, and if there is a way to work, it can work, to go for it, then just stick with it.